All week I ran around like a robot, and now that it's Friday, I feel like nothing. The clock showed it was late Saturday morning, but I was still in my pajamas, just watching videos. Mom asked if I would just melt into the sofa today. I half laughed, saying I was recovering. I tried to study, but my mind felt foggy. I just doodled in my notebook. Recovery isn't supposed to feel like regret. Later, at dinner, Dad said his best grades came from weekends that fed his soul. A little rest, a little play, a little prep, he explained. Enough to arrive at Monday ready, not racing. I nodded slowly. An idea flickered in my mind. That night, I decided to try something new and made a plan. Sunday didn't feel like a storm anymore. It felt like peace. Weekends aren't for escaping life. They're for designing the life you want to return to. What's one way you'll reset this weekend? Let's lead our future, one peaceful Sunday at a time.